There are 4 mounting methods for track installation. First, the full mounting track is a 4-foot full-length track back that will attach under the eaves of your home. This will be screwed in to place first. Then the lights are inserted into the track and the track will be snapped on to the full mounting track. The second type of installation method uses flat brackets. These brackets clip into the top track before installation, and then when it's time to install onto your home, you clip the lights in, bring the track up, tuck the front tabs under the fascia lip, and then secure with screws. These are also movable to find just the right spot to secure them onto your home. The third style of mounting method is an L-shaped bracket. The L-shaped bracket, like the flat bracket, will install onto your track first, slide it to the right position, and then they install on surfaces that are vertical in cases where you need to have the track hung like so and mounted from the back. The fourth mounting method will be for commercial and flat top homes. This bracket will mount directly to a flat top building and angle the front lights out and the down lights down.